Hello friend, welcome to the Smart Machine YouTube channel. This video detailing about by what is customer service. Help Scouts wait in. So let's start my video. What is customer service? Help Scouts wait in. If always work in customer service, I work the box office is San Francisco tourist attraction. Handle frontline and escalation support for a consumer electronics brand, work in knowledge management, and now I have product content at a company that makes customer support software. Over the years, I spend a decent amount of time thinking about support and what kind of experience I am providing customer. How can I simplify the troubleshooting steps in this have to reply. I doing a good enough job of empowering customers to self-serve. In this blog post, useful and relatable. How can I get this folk from Australia to Alcatraz short of rowing them there myself? Lots of important questions there, especially if you are afraid of open water. However, one question, if never really considered, is what is customer service? At first glance, it seemed like a simple question with an obvious answer. But I think we can all agree that customer service is about a lot more than answer a phone call, provide troubleshooting steps, or processing a turn. At Help Scout, we think customer service is pretty important, but there is still a lot of variant in what customer service means of each of us. In this post, we'll explore what members of the team thinks customer service is, why support is important, and how customer care impacts your business. Customer service aids in product adoptions and reduced churn. Have you ever bought something, got a home, and could make it work? Maybe you filled with a bit your own left thought that structure manual or ask a family member for help, and eventually your probably tools is the internet to hopefully find an answer in the company help center or on their YouTube channel. In a situation like this, if you can quickly find help, be a a well-designed knowledge base, a thoughtfully implemented chatbot, or a quick exchange with the customer service team, chances are you forgive the initial negative experience and keep the product. But if you can find an answer, contact information is hidden or missing, altogether you will wind up trapped is an ugly tango with a bad IVR system. That are you going to do? It's that item is heading right back to the store at the bare minimum to already there come for your garage, never to be seen again. Some leaders might think that support quality and customer service isn't important as your product or service. However, 80% of customers say otherwise. While it's true that a more intuitive product will help the most situation like that, one above good service in the perform of self-service option or a good recovery strategy could not only negate the important impact of a bad experience but even help build brand loyalty. Customer service is everyone's responsibility. On the other hand, poor service you can have a lasting effect. A 2023 survey found that 73% of customers will abandon a brand after just one instance of subpar service. This shows the support's impact on a customer's overall experience with and opinion of a brand is substantial. If you want to provide your customers with the best experience possible, Customer service must be seen as all hands on deck operating, requiring cooperations across every department. At Help Scout, the marketing teams always gives your customers a team or time for support or need up and will have an email scheduled to be sent to customers are preparing to publicly announce a new features or are making a change to the website. Similarly, our developers give the teams about before rolling out a release if they notice a performance issue with the platform. This allows the customers teams to prepare for customers to be on the lookout for related issues and react more quickly if something goes wrong. We also consider customer service during the design process for both the Scout product and our marketing side. We use beacons, and beacons are embeddable web widget to provide access to our support teams contact from within the customer experience. We also link to helpful resources like Leave classes and our blog in your websites. Navbar for easy access. It's the entire company job our customer feel supported and have a positive experience with Help Scouts, and we are always looking for ways to improve. Customer service is about empowering customers. Making sure customers don't encounter barrier to customer service is important, but we are being honest. Our customer ideal is not having to talk your support teams at all for simple issue. Customer would rather help themselves. When you think to self-service in your probably imagine your well-organized knowledge based in AI powered chatbot providing 24/7 support and huge cost saving for your business. And while yes, self-service can provide a good customer experience and fewer tickets in the quiz is agent free. Behind every successful self-service strategy is a dedicated team teaching into customers' questions and concerns and finding the best way to proactively present information so that customers are set up for a success. In fact, knowledge management teams are even more critical in today's world of AI algorithms. After all, AI tools are only as good as the information they are fed, which means that investing in your support team is just as, if not more important, as it was before ChatGPT came on the scene. As we start to build AI features into our product, the team is putting extra effort into our own documentation and examining how we can help our customers create AI friendly doc sites that will lead to a better self-serve experience for their customers too. Customer service is a career that requires skill. Customer service is often just seen as a stepping stone is a career, a role where you can get your foot in the door and then move on to something better. However, this is usually the view of someone who has never held a support position. Customer service is a profession that requires a tremendous amounts of skills, and not everyone can do it well. People who have a knack for support are beneficial to companies is a number in a number of different ways. Of course, they are the obvious. They are experts at getting customers back on the track quickly. However, they can also have a significant impact on the product or service itself. Customer service as a seat at a table. As mentioned above, customers' conversations are full of valuable information. However, getting the customer feedback to the broader company is often a challenge. On a way to keep everyone in the company up to speed is by giving support at seat. At the table, you support leaders. You should present to at all hands meeting on a regular basis, providing constant data and feedback from real customer. Of course, visibility doesn't need to stop at a leadership level. Every support team's member has some things worthwhile to contribute. At Help Scouts, members of the customers teams and are provided with several different ways to share of knowledge gained from their work with customer. One explain with the opinion options the work on many teams, which are small squads dedicated to a specific features or product launch. They are responsible for things like product testing, creating related documentations, answering any question that comes in from customers and debates all the topics and directly passing customer and support teams feedback to the associated product manager. Customer service is offered as underlies resources special at the agent level companies that provide exceptional service. Now that and ensure that the support is always involved with any initiative that has customer impact. Customer service provides space for human connections. What is nice at the have a customer advocate in the room is no substance for actually rolling up for your sleep and answering customer questions. At Help Scout, the entire company gets into the quiz regularly to stay research with customer sentiment. It helps us increase product knowledge while building curiosity and empathy. It's also good for the customer service is a way for us to build a relationship and connect with customer on a personal level. According to According to Harry Harris, a member of our people team, sometimes that's exactly what our customer needs. Whatever you support rap a customer, it can be easy to forget that the one and other and help of phone is a real person. Good customer service is all about tapping into each other humanity, find a solution to a problem and building trust than spans beyond a single interaction. Customer service is a reflection of your company value. As I post, I thought a lot of that. I believe customer service is applied to a specific customer of good customer service like proactive support and delivery. Good customers, they are out of my mind before I finish a new hire paperwork. At Help Scouts is have a guiding value of help defined and work at just concept customer feel and support confidence product craft over convention. At Help Scout we felt it important to get things right even us against what is expected or what our competition is going. We are giving rooms to our PDS and hold our work and each other to high standard in terms of customer experience. We remain customer first is industry, but is the often best with the new tech things. Don't aim to futures parties and product roadmaps. Help Scouts and what does customer service means to you? Do your team's definitions of customer service resonates with you? How have one of your own customer service resonate definitions of your customer service resonates as have one of your own. Drop us a note. We don't love and learn more about we learned that about what customer service means to you. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.